Hi, future Maple Leafers. I am Alan from Honorary Alumni class in Maple Leaf High School. This is Maple Leaf International School Chongqing, and let's explore where East meets West in education. Blending the best of the Chinese and West. This 200 acres campus has nurtured over 1,500 global citizens since 2009. There are 100 Maple Leaf campuses around the world with over 40,000 students. Maple Leaf educational system has always stood as a pace setter, steadily leading the way in the arena of Chinese foreign educational integration, paving the way for countless students to embark on the growth journey that bridges them to the world. This is our high school teaching building. One diploma, dual accreditation, global recognition. Maple Leaf World School program highlights its local advantages. 80% of academic courses are taught by certified international teachers. 20% of the courses are taught by Chinese teachers, forming a distinctive teaching model of learning majors in English and spreading culture in Chinese. In drama class, Mr. Manska makes Shakespeare as exciting as TikTok trend. In Mr. Makai's experimental class, Eastern and Western thinking blend seamlessly in exploration, always unfolding like a scientific adventure brimming with the prizes. Problem-solving and personal global leadership courses forge future leaders with cross-cultural insight and problem-solving prowess. The economics course explores choices and trade-offs, reviewing the logic behind markets and sparking critical thinking. Still worry about the language barriers? ESL PPPS model turns into mic drop moments. The ESL grade paves a fully English language academic path to students, making every step of their growth precisely measurable. Our clubs are lit. MUN, basketball, football, dancing, frisbee, music club, and drama club. I am a member of the music club. Our band performs at every club event. The 3-floor gym and football field host epic teacher-student games. Our frisbee team have just bagged 2025 championship. Won 3 years of adventure, dorm life with game room, food that beat mom's cooking, and friends from across the globe.
From Maple Leaf to the world. I'm a student at Imperial College London.
NTU.
At U of T.
I'm a student of the New York University.
Parsons School of Design.
I'm a student at London University, Sweden.
I'm a student at the University of Melbourne.
From Maple Leaf to the world, now I'm at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology.
From Maple Leaf to the world, I'm a student at the University of Auckland.
From Maple Leaf to the world, I'm waiting for you at Maple Leaf International School Chongqing.